integrals of the form under root x square plus a square. Next type integral under root x square minus a square dx. Third, integral under root a square minus x square. Evaluating this type of integrals. We are continue with integration by parts rule. So proof for these three integrals using integration by parts technique. Let us see first one theorem for the integral under root of x square plus a square dx. It is equal to x by 2 under root x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus square root x square plus a square plus c constant of integration. Proof: integral I is equal to under root of x square plus a square dx. To evaluate by part, second function is selected as 1. Square root x square plus a square is differentiable and this multiplicative one will be integrable. Applying u into v rule. So first square root as it is integration of 1 dx minus integral derivative of first function into integral of second function with respect to x. Next, formula for integral of 1 dx, that is getting x. Derivative for square root term 1 upon 2 times square root x square plus a square into its derivative is 2 times of x. Check this. Into integration for 1 dx, answer x. For simplification, denominator 2, this multiplicative 2 cancel. Product remaining x into x square multiplied with 1, product is x square. Next step, square root x square plus a square multiplied x, first written x, minus of integral x square divided by root of x square plus a square. To evaluate this integral, make the adjustment in numerator. Add a square and subtract a square in the numerator. And then divide both terms separate. First as it is, check after dividing both the terms separate. This middle sign minus outside minus will be changed as a plus. Next, division for x square plus a square factor divided by same factor at the square root. This division is obtained square root of x square plus a square only. And from next integral, a square multiplicative constant that you can take here outside. Check in next step. X square root as it is, this division answer square root x square plus a square taken outside integration constant value remaining 1 divided by root of x square plus a square. Then this integral square root of x square plus a square, it will be replaced by integral value I. And formula for 1 upon square root of x square plus a square, that was standard formula. You can write its answer directly, that is log of x plus square root as it is. Check this. A square multiplied log of x plus square root as it is, and c1 taken as a constant of integration. In next step, you will shift this negative I value to the left hand side. It will be positive. Hence, I plus I, it become 2 times I. It is equal to x into under root x square plus a square. Next term plus a square log of x plus square root as it is plus c1. We have to find out answer of integral I. Hence, this multiplicative 2 shifted to right hand side or divided both side by 2. Your choice. After dividing both side by 2, answer is getting I equal to x by 2 square root of x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus square root as it is plus c1 by 2 constant replaced by capital C. You can mention here value for C is equal to C1 by 2. This is the proof for the theorem first. Second theorem statement, square root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 square root of x square minus a square upon 2 log of x plus square root as it is. Let us see proof of this theorem by using integration by parts technique. Integrations I equal to integral of square root x square minus a square. You can write multiplicative 1 as a second function. Then performing integration by parts rule, first square root term as it is integration of 1 dx minus derivative of first function and integral of second function with respect to x. Then formula, integral for 1 dx, that is x. Square root term derivative 1 upon 2 times square root term into its derivative is 2 times x. And integral for 1 dx is x. Again in this calculation, denominator 2 and this multiplicative 2 cancel. Product for terms x into x square multiplied with 1, that is x square. Check. Finally, next step writing, first taken as a x variable, x into under root x square minus a square minus of product x square divided by x square minus a square dx. To evaluate this integral, make a adjustment in numerator writing minus a square and then plus a square. So you can divide these both terms separate. Check. After dividing separate, this middle sign outside is minus, inside plus, it will be changed as a minus. Divided both terms separate. In second term, x square minus a square divided by its square root value, means answer is remaining only square root x square minus a square. And in last term, this numerator a square constant value can be taken outside the integral. Check. A square taken outside, and this division is root of x square minus a square. And now this integral root x square minus a square dx means integral I, given integral. You can replace it by letter I. And last term, formula, obtain integral 1 upon square root x square minus a square. Its answer is log of x plus square root as it is. Check here. Integral answer log of x plus square root as it is. This I value replace from integral and constant is taken as a C1. Minus I, now shift to left hand side, I plus I become 2 times I. It is equal to x under root x square minus a square. The next term, so this minus of a square is here, certain change. Multiplicative 2 shift to right side or divide both side by 2. Integral I, answer is obtained. I equal to x by 2 under root x square minus a square by 2 log of x plus square root x square minus a square. and C1 by 2 constant replaced by capital letter C as a constant of integration. This is the proof for second theorem. Theorem third statement, integral root of a square minus x square dx. Answer, x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x upon a plus c. Proof of this theorem, integral I is under root of a square minus x square. Solving once again by using integration by parts technique. Second function taken as multiplicative one, check here. First, under root a square minus x square differentiable, and this one is integrable. Applying integration by parts rule, first square root term as it is integration of 1 dx minus integral derivative of first integral of second with respect to x. Then formula for integral 1 dx, that is x, square root term derivative 1 upon 2 times square root term into derivative of a square minus x square. Derivative is obtained minus 2x. Integral for 1 dx is x. Again simplification, denominator 2 and this multiplicative 2 cancel. Remaining is in the integral value. This product x multiplied square root as it is minus of integral x into x square with minus sign, that is minus x square divided by root a square minus x square. In this integral, don't take this minus outside, keep as it is because x square term also negative, that is in the subtraction for denominator. Numerator adjustment will be easy, so this minus will be kept as it is. You are adding a square and subtracting a square in the numerator. Check next step, a square added and subtracted. So this first factor, it is same as a denominator like this. You can divide both terms separate. Check, after separate division, middle sign minus of minus become plus. And now this division, a square minus x square divided by root of a square minus x square, it is simply remaining square root a square minus x square. And from last term, constant a square from numerator can be taken outside the integral. Check step. Now this integral, it is same as a integration I. You can replace the second term value by I. And third term, standard formula 1 divided by root of a square minus x square, that gives sine inverse x by a. Check in next step here. A square sine inverse x by a. Same as usual, minus I shifted to left hand side, it become plus I plus I total is 2 times I is equal to x under root a square minus x square plus a square into sine inverse x by a, constant as integration c1 we have taken. Then finally for answer of integration I, divide both side by 2. Therefore, I is equal to x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus c, where this value for c is c1 by 2. So, we have seen all three theorems, integral of the type root x square plus a square, then x square minus a square, and last root of a square minus x square. Example first, integral under root 4x square plus 9 dx. We have solved integral of the type 1 upon square root of quadratic equation initially. Same rule is here also. Square root of x square, sorry, coefficient of x square must be 1. Then for the perfect square technique, you are adjusting third term which is taken as a half of middle term and its square, like that. Same method applying here also in these numericals. Check. 4x square plus 9 is given integral. You can take 4 as a common because coefficient of x square must be 1 as per method given in textbook. 4 taken common, x square plus 9 by 4. Then this 4 value from square root you can take outside and square root for 4 become 2. Hence I equal to 2 times of under root x square plus 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is perfect square for 3 by 2. Hence I can write integral I as 2 times integration under root x square plus 3 by 2 bracket square. So by first formula, answer is multiplicative 2 keep as it is outside. Check this. Using formula for under root of x square plus a square. Result is 2 times of x by 2 square root of x square plus 9 by 4 plus a square by 2 means 9 by 4 upon 2 log of x plus square root as it is, that is x square plus 9 by 4. Now in calculation, if you multiply 2 directly inside, this first term 2, second term 2 also get cancelled. Remaining is integral I answer x multiplied square root x square plus 9 by 4 plus this 9 by 4 log of x plus square root as it is plus c. Alternative method, without making coefficient of x square as a 1 in the integral I. 4x square plus 9, it can be expressed as 2x bracket square plus 3 square directly. Formula x square plus a square applying as it is into 1 upon derivative of this 2x you have to write compulsory because coefficient of x is not the 1. Coefficient of x is here 2. Check. Formula applying same. Answer 2x divided by 2 into square root of 2x square plus 3 square plus a square by 2 means 3 square by 2 log of x plus square root formula, that is 2x plus square root as it is into this 1 upon 2, that was coefficient of x. I is obtained 1 by 2 into x, 2 cancelled. 2x bracket square is 4x square plus 3 square is 9. 3 square by 2 is 9 by 2 log of 2x plus square root value 4x square plus 9 and plus c as a constant of integration. There are two methods. By your choice, you can solve by any method. Next problem, second, integral under root 9x square minus 25 dx. Solution for this problem, express as integral I 9x square minus 25 by shortcut method. 9x square means 3x bracket square, 25 for 5 square. Formula applicable second, integral under root x square minus a square. Answer by formula x by 2 square root x square minus a square by 2 log of x plus square root as it is. Applying in this numerical, 3x by 2 into under root 3x square minus 5 square minus of 5 square by 2 log of 3x plus 3x bracket square minus 5 square into 1 upon derivative of 3x, that is 3. Then these 3 you can take at a starting. So finally answer for integral I expressed as first 1 by 3 into 3x by 2 under root of 3x square, value is getting 9x square minus 5 square 25 minus 5 square 25 by 2 log of 3x plus square is 9x square minus 25 plus c. Answer for second integral. Let us see one more problem. of the third type of integral. Given here, integral square root 4 minus 9x square. You can apply third formula. Integral I is 4 minus 9x square. Formula applicable under root a square minus x square. For 4 means 2 square, 9x square means 3x square. Applying, we get 2 square is 4. Check this. Formula applied, 3x by 2 under root 2 square minus 3x square plus 2 square divided by 2 sine inverse of 3x by 2 into 1 by 3 coefficient of x in reciprocal. That is, finally answer is 1/3 3x by 2 4 minus 9x square plus 2 sine inverse 3x by 2 plus c.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.